Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole and welcome to another house vlog. So as you can tell by the title, today's video, I really don't like this. Hold on. I thought I wanted 2 braids, but I don't. So as you can tell by the title, in today's video, I will be painting and I'm so excited to get some color on the wall because at first, like right now, it's all white and I don't like that. So I'm going to go pick up some actual color and I'm so excited, even though it'll be another variation of white, trust. But it will look different. It'll add some pop to the room before I start in the kitchen. Okay, this looks a lot better. Next, I'll be working on the countertops. And yeah, so it'll be the first time I'm actually in the kitchen because after the countertops, it's the walls in the kitchen and then it's all floor galore. And I'm so excited. Why do I keep saying countertops? It's actually the cabinets. Either way, next will be the kitchen. So I'm excited to finish the other rooms today. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Okay, I am in Home Depot right now and I can kind of show you the paint that I'm going with before I go over there and ask for it. So you guys know this is the countertop piece that I'm looking forward to in the kitchen, and this is the flooring that will be in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. So obviously I'm looking for a hint of gray to even those out and to make sure that the whole kitchen or all the rooms aren't just plain white. So I was thinking like between these two, but I think I'm just gonna go with this one, like the hint of gray that's still kind of white, and then that way it'll make the trims that are pure white kind of pop. So yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one or this one. I don't really know, maybe this one. This is the lightest one. So this one. Okay, so this is I think what was on the paper, and I think this is just too dark. Yeah, this is too dark, so I'm going with Willow Spring, which is a little bit lighter, but I like it. I like these two colors together. Basically white, but not white. She's mixing it now. Next, I just have to go to the dollar store to pick up some brushes, and I don't need new rollers, but brushes, oh, and the paint pan thing. And then we can head back to the house, and hopefully I can finish most of this today. Thank you. I'm in Dollar Tree right now, and I literally cannot get over, like, stuff in here is way cheaper than the stuff I bought, and it's like this is way better quality than what I got. Also, they have brushes in here which are obviously cheaper than the ones I bought. I learned so much. Like the sander obviously is going to be cheaper than the one I got. Like this is crazy. I literally spent so much unnecessary money so far. I'm going to make a whole video on what I wish I knew before starting this process so that you guys don't make the same mistakes I make. But I'm also going to grab one of these Arizona teas. Okay, this rain is literally killing my vibe. It's been raining all day. And, but yeah, normally whenever it's raining, I love to just chill and like sit in my apartment and not do anything. But, no, we have things to do. So I'm headed back to the house right now. And I'm hoping that I can get at least the living room painted completely, and then if I get the living room painted, I will feel inclined to do the dining room, and I don't really think I will just leave without doing the stairs. So that's really all that needs to be painted right now: living room, dining room, and stairs. And then the bedrooms I'm keeping pure white because I really just like the bedrooms being pure white. But I also got some carpet samples, which I don't think I showed you guys, but I got 2 carpet samples. One has more gray in it, one has more tan, brown in it. So I think I'm going with obviously the gray one since everything has an accent of gray so far, which I'm very happy. I finally found like some, what is it, coordination? Yeah, with everything that I picked out. So yeah, I'm just happy that everything is finally starting to look good and work out, and I'm excited to go to the house and get this paint on the wall to see if I love it, because I really feel like I will. Also, oh my gosh, I'm literally learning so much. I'm not even kidding. And I'm going to share everything that I'm learning with you guys in a video, like I said. But when I came to pick out my paint the first time, I picked out an expensive paint and I didn't need to, especially now that I'm covering it up and I won't even be using it. Like I'm covering it up with an actual color. But there was a cheaper option and I didn't even notice. Like I didn't even know. I am learning so much about like where I could have saved money with this entire project, which is good but annoying, but also good, because although I would have loved to get everything right the first time, you don't truly learn until you learn. So I'm making a full video, it might be next, of what I wish I knew just going into this project, what I wish I would have done, what I learned so far, everything. So stay tuned for that, but I will catch up with you guys whenever I get to the house and we can start painting. Hopefully I get there soon because it's like 5 o'clock now, which leaves me like an hour and a half, because I normally leave the house at like 7 now after I'm done painting, 7 or 7:30. So yeah, hopefully I can get there soon and start painting. Okay, I'm at the house obviously, and I switched into my painter pants. I'm about to take this off, so I'll just have this undershirt on. And yeah, I'm about to put blue tape down so that way I don't really mess up the trims. I need to paint over the trims anyway, but I'll go ahead and put blue tape down, and then I'll go ahead and start with this room, and we will see how far we get in this room, and that will determine whether or not, I think I'll do the stairs next since it's, you know, connected and everything. Actually, I can go ahead and show you the stairs. I already knew I painted this, but I put the primer up yesterday on this wall and this wall, and then I have this wall to do just because I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep this, because I'm a sucker for accents. So I don't know, I really just like, I think this will be fine here, but I don't know, I might fill this in and then not fill these in, but I don't know. So I went ahead and put the primer on these walls, and yeah, I can go ahead and take this and paint that as well. Okay, so I didn't realize I didn't have enough tape, like nearly enough, but I finished taping all of this and then got here. I also started down here a little bit and I got that, so I will be able to do a lot of work, but not much. But yesterday I kind of taped in here, so I will be able to start in here just a little bit, but really in here I'll just be finishing up the primer, like all of that work with the brush that I didn't get to do. So that's what I'm focusing on in here, and I'll just do what I can in here. So you guys will see a little bit. It's okay because it's getting dark anyway. I also just realized I have another can of pure white over there that I can definitely return. I didn't realize I had so many, but I don't need that anymore because I'm not painting the walls white. But this will be interesting. Hopefully, I have a feeling whenever I open this, it will legitimately just look white. But then whenever I take the blue tape off the walls, I'll be able to tell like the difference. Just with like the white trims right next to it. Yeah, this definitely just looks white. I honestly don't have faith that this is the right color. Oh, it's the right color, but I didn't have faith that it's the right color because this is the lady who told me I didn't even need a primer, so. So you can barely see it, but that's what we're working with. See, I like the color on camera, but I promise you this looks so pink. I don't know, like it has a hint of purple or pink that I don't think I like. I don't know. I don't really know if I like this or not, but I don't want to go back or change anything. It's kind of annoying. You'll be able to see this better in the light whenever I come back here tomorrow, because I have people coming in tomorrow, so that'll be in this vlog too. But I don't know. I think I should just keep going. Like, at this point, it's not even like that big of a difference. But also like, just me knowing what I wanted, this is very irritating. Hi besties, so it is another day. I had to stop vlogging yesterday because as soon as I put that paint on the wall, it was the wrong color. And I literally started crying. So I had to stop vlogging yesterday for my mental. But we're back and we're better, and yeah, so I went to Home Depot today to get someone else to help me, because this is like the third time that one lady has given me the wrong thing or basically made me lose days in this whole renovation process. So I was not going back to her. Anyways, I went to a different guy to get the right color paint, and honestly, because I vlogged it, I could literally show him like, yes, this is what I asked for, and he was like, she gave you like the complete wrong color. Like, I have no idea how that even happened. And honestly, bestie, me either. But yeah, so I got the right color paint. It's in the back now. Right? Yeah, okay, yeah. It's in the back now, and we're good to go. But I wanted to paint a little bit today, but it's getting pretty late, and I don't feel like changing like out of clothes that I can't really mess up with paint. So I'm just going to go over there and drop the paint off, and then probably go paint tomorrow morning. So you guys will see an update tomorrow morning. Okay, you can't really tell, but it's definitely pinker in person than it is on this wall. And I don't know, that's just not what I asked for. So tomorrow morning, I will be using this paint on the walls. Or should I do it now? No, I'll do it now. Okay, fingers crossed this one is the right color. Oh, this one definitely looks like it's probably like closer to the right color. All right. Yes, this is the color I wanted the whole time. Please tell me you can see a difference between these two. That is pink and that is gray. Now we can paint. My phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. This is exactly the color I wanted, and I'm so excited. Like, literally, I want to take it back and be like, girl, was this so hard? This is exactly the color I wanted, because I wanted the white to pop, like the white trims to pop off of that, and I'm going to repaint this so it pops a little bit more and it just looks a little bit better. But yeah, so I wanted that to pop out. I wanted the window seals to pop out. I just didn't want white on white on white. So I'm just so excited that I finally got the color that I wanted, and now I'm about to paint this wall. Wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body stays. Hey vloggy vlog, welcome back to my channel. Wait, actually I think this is the same vlog. Yeah, this is definitely in the same video, so skip that intro. Okay, hey guys, this is another day, and it has been a minute since I have vlogged, but the house has a pretty big update. Well, by the end of today's video, I will be wrapping up part 2 with the painting, which means tomorrow I will be starting on part 3 with the painting, aka the kitchen. And I have a few updates for you guys. So right now I am headed to, I'm literally watching this lady chase her kid down. Anyways, right now I'm headed to a floor place, a new floor place, because every single person I've had to get rid of like 3 people when it comes to the floors, because just no one is really giving with the response time. I don't really appreciate how long it's taking people to get back to me, and honestly, if I'm going to pay you to do something, I want there to be some type of communication, you know, especially something that I could definitely do myself. Aside from like the upstairs bathroom, I could definitely do the kitchen and the downstairs bathroom by myself. So I'm gonna need you to respond and be quick with the responses. Also, I think it was 2 companies. 2 companies so far have come in, and they've, like, you know, done measurements and stuff, and then said, all right, I'll send you quotes. And I don't know, I just take people for their word. If you say you're going to send me something Monday or Tuesday, I expect to see it Monday, Tuesday, not Friday, not 2 weeks later, not 1 week later. I expect to see it when you say you're going to send it to me. And people just don't understand that. So yeah, I've had to get rid of 2 companies when it came to who's working on my floors, and right now I'm going to go check out a 3rd. So hopefully this one works out, because that's literally what's next after I paint. I mean, the kitchen should not take long at all. I'm honestly just remodeling the cabinets and painting the walls, and there's just so much on the walls, like, I don't know, like there's not a lot of wall for me to paint, so it should not take long at all. And I would like for the floors to be in the works, or, you know, I don't want it to be done long after I'm like done with the kitchen and everything. So I need everything to just work out. So hopefully this one works out, and yeah, I'm on my way there now, and I'll just update you all whenever I get there. different options again for the floor that I will be going with. Yeah, that actually went really great, and that place has them in stock and they stall, so everything should go by quickly. In tomorrow's video, you guys will see them going to the house to do measurements, because the guy literally gave me huge samples so that whoops, I would be able to see what they look like in the house and everything. And he also gave me floor samples for the other rooms. But yeah, that went really great. And now I'm going to the house to finish up today painting for today's video, and that's literally all I'm doing to the house today, just painting. Okay, I'm at the house and this is what we are working with right now. So I'm about to paint all of this and all of this, and I also already started, sorry, I took this down, it was really irritating me, but all of this is taped off, and so I can paint all of this gray as well. And then I'm going to sand this wall, put the primer up on this wall, and go ahead and paint this one gray as well. And then I can go ahead and paint this wall gray, this wall gray, and then I can fill this in with the primer that I didn't get to finish the last time. And maybe if it dries, I can paint this gray as well. So actually, I think I'll do this second so it can have time to dry before I start working upstairs. Okay, I just finished filling the edges everywhere in here, and also I gotta go around all this junk, and also the stairs. So now I can just paint, and this shouldn't take long at all. I'm actually just going to paint this part and then save the stairs for last, because I'm gonna paint this and then go to the other room to fill in. Okay, I'm about to leave now, but I wanted to give you guys kind of like a quick little pan of everything that I did today so that I can edit this video and get it up. Oh, the walls here, even though it's pretty dark in here now, the walls are done. They're wet, so, or like, you know, cleaned. So I can't put the oil-based primer on just yet, so I will do that in tomorrow's vlog. But also the stairs are done. I'm not sure if I remembered to show you guys that earlier today. Oh, I almost tripped earlier today. But I still need to do this part, so, and that's pretty much easy, but yes. And it's so dark down here already. I did all of this, so all of this is done. And then the primer in here you guys saw me do, and that is drying now. So I will be painting this room tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog too. And in tomorrow's vlog, the floor people, the new floor people, are going to be coming over here to give me a quote and look at all the floors and everything like that. So that will be in the next vlog as well. But yes, that is actually going to conclude this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.